In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Docs, step by step. If you collaborate on documents, tracking changes helps everyone propose edits, see what's different, and approve updates with confidence. Here's how to do it clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your document. Head to Google Docs in your browser and open the file you want to work on. Make sure you have editing access so you can see and manage suggestions. Next, turn on suggesting mode. Look to the top right of the document for the pencil icon. Click it and choose suggesting. In this mode, you're not making permanent edits. You're proposing changes that others can review. It's the safest way to collaborate without overwriting someone else's work. Now make your edits as you normally would. When you add text, it will appear highlighted to show it's a proposed insertion. When you delete text, it won't disappear completely. Instead, it will show as crossed out. This visual contrast makes it easy to scan through the document and understand exactly what's being changed and where. As you or your collaborators make suggestions, they'll appear in boxes on the right side of the document. Each box shows the proposed change and who suggested it. Click any suggestion box to see the context in the document and to interact with it. This panel becomes the central place to manage all edits. If you want to discuss a change, you can add a comment right in the suggestion box. Type your note to clarify intent, ask a quick question, or provide additional context, then click reply. Keeping the conversation attached to the change helps everyone stay on the same page. When you're ready to make decisions, accept or reject changes directly from the suggestion boxes. Click the check mark to accept, and the document will update accordingly. Click the X to reject, and the original text stays in place. You can handle suggestions one by one or move through them in sequence for a thorough review. When you're finished proposing and reviewing edits, switch back to editing mode. Click the suggesting indicator and select editing to return to making direct changes. Tip: you can still review, accept, or reject suggestions even in editing mode, so you don't have to switch back to suggesting just to manage them. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.